everyone, my name is Samantha, but you guys can all just call me Sam. I currently live on Long Island, and I am very excited to see some new and also familiar faces in this class. And this is like the true home stretch, so I'm very excited for that as well. Um, have I ever had to consider the spirituality of a client in my work? So my last internship that I did, my generalist internship, was at a nursing home, and I actually experienced a lot of clients and their spirituality. Some of them would deny certain services, or they would schedule certain services to come. We had um, people come once a week with the church, and they would do rosary. They would just like read a lot about what was happening in the world at the present time and how it connects to the Bible and passages in the Bible. And it was something that our residents were like really, really involved in. So, um, yeah. And I'm going to answer the last question before I answer the other question. So, personal experiences with spirituality, I actually don't have many at all. I grew up in a household that doesn't have a religion. I've never been to church in my entire life. I've never made my communion, my confirmation. That just wasn't really a thing in my household. So really the only experiences that I have are from what like other people have told me or other people have talked to me about. So my thoughts about using my knowledge of spirituality in future work is really going to come from this class. I thought this class would be really important to take because I don't have a lot of knowledge in this, and spirituality is becoming much bigger, I think, than it was in the past, and you see it a lot more often. So I want to be prepared on how to handle situations of spirituality in social work. Um, and this way, I don't just have to turn people away because I don't have like the same religion or spiritual beliefs as they do. So I am very excited about this class. And I know I'm going to be learning a whole lot. Uh, so I hope everyone can bear with me a little bit because I don't know everyone else's, uh, stance on all of this. So if I get things wrong, I do apologize. So this is just one big learning experience for me, and I'm excited to do it with you all. Bye bye.